Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to the online class. Today we will learn about chapter 4, Knowing Our Numbers. Numbers play an important role in our daily life. We live with numbers. We use numbers and know many things about them. Numbers helps us count concrete objects. What do you see in the picture? There are so many trees. How many trees are there? How do you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 trees. What do you see in the next picture? There are several balls. How do you count? Here also the count starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 balls in the picture. Whenever you count, the count starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. These counting numbers are also called as natural numbers. Natural numbers, the set of all counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are called as natural numbers. Natural numbers always starts from 1 and it is denoted by n. n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Natural number system has infinite numbers. Whole numbers. How many eggs are there? There are 7 eggs. What do you see in the next picture? There is nothing in the basket. How many eggs are there? There is 0 egg. The symbol of 0 is denoted by a small circle. All natural numbers along with the number 0 are called whole numbers. It is denoted by W. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Let us watch the video also for natural numbers and whole numbers.
Whole numbers and natural numbers. We see numbers all around us. We count population of a country in numbers. We count money in numbers. We find area and perimeter of a land using numbers. We even talk about the position of students standing in a queue with numbers. Natural numbers and whole numbers. We count objects using numbers like 2 girls, 5 roses, 12 balls and 20 sticks. We use numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on to count objects. So, these numbers are called as counting numbers or natural numbers. Natural numbers can be used in many ways. They can be used to show quantity and position. A cardinal number tells the quantity. It answers the questions how many? For example, how many flowers? How many books? Etc. An ordinal number tells the position of an object in a sequence. For example, the red color flower is the first. The yellow colored flower is the second. The pink colored flower is the third, and so on. A special case, 0 is not a counting number. For example, if there is no rows, then we say that there is 0 rows. Therefore, 0 is not a counting number. Now, let us study about whole numbers. This is a number line showing numbers from 0 to 10. 0 is not a counting number, whereas the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on are counting numbers or natural numbers. So, the number 0 together with the collection of natural numbers are called as whole numbers. In this number line, we see that the number 6 is before the number 7. So, the number 6 is the predecessor of the number 7, which is a whole number. Do we have predecessor of 0? No, we don't have any predecessor of 0, which is a whole number. The successor of a whole number lies just to the right of a number, and the predecessor of a whole number lies just to the left of a number. 0 is the smallest whole number. Each and every whole number has a successor starting from 0. For example, 1 is the successor of 0. 9 is the successor of 8. The value of whole number increases as we go from left to right in a number line, and the value of whole numbers decreases as we go from right to left. Let us revise natural numbers and whole numbers by comparing them in a tabular form. Every natural number and whole number has a successor. There is no natural number whose successor is 1, and there is no whole number whose successor is 0. 1 is the smallest natural number, and 0 is the smallest whole number. There is no largest natural number, and similarly, there is no largest whole number. 0 is not a natural number, but 0 is a whole number.